Hey, what's up guys, WRG here with another video. So today I have an unboxing for you guys. Pretty excited about this one. This is a badass gun. I think you guys are going to like it. So let's start talking and get into it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed. Definitely more content coming. So it does come with a pretty nice box and pretty good presentation. So here it is. This is the CZ P09. This is a 9mm full-size polymer handgun offered by CZ. So this is a pretty cool gun in my opinion. It's definitely full size. You have 19 plus 1 rounds, so 20 rounds in this gun. So it comes with 2 magazines. The magazines are really nice. You can see here they just look like quality magazines. And obviously 19 rounds flush. That's another cool thing. So a lot of times you're thinking 19 rounds, you know, you're sticking out, but not at all. Also, this magazine, this gun was safety checked, just so you guys are aware. Always make sure you safety check your weapons before messing with them. But flush, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Also, you'll notice here, you'll see some interchangeable backstraps. It does come with 3 total. So you have small, medium, large. So pretty much to fit anyone. You have your cleaning supplies here, conveniently stored. And it's pretty cool gun overall. A few specs on it, just so you guys are aware. The MSRP on it is $530. But I just seen it recently on Gunbroker for maybe like $450, maybe as low as like $420. So not bad there. The grip is stippled, as you can see here, and it does give you a nice firm grip. This material here is also really nice. You can see it's also the same material that's used here is also used on the upper part here for your thumb to get a good grip. You have some nice serrations on top, in the front of the slide and the back of the slide. You have here your decocker. And you have here this is your slide stop, very ergonomic, easy to get to, as well as your magazine release here. Now the trigger system that they use is called Omega double action, single action. So it's optimized for both. So I'm going to show you guys the double action first. So it's kind of hard, you know, long, which is what you'd expect. But on the single action end, it's very smooth, it's very light, and very crisp in my opinion. So very nice trigger system for what it is. This is a 1913 Picatinny rail, so it's optimized for low light situations. This gun was made in the Czech Republic. The sights on it are really nice. The company tells you in the manual that this gun is optimized to shoot up to 50 meters, which is pretty cool for a handgun. So you have that nice long sight radius. You have a barrel length of 4.54 inches, which is pretty long for a handgun. You have an overall length of 8.1 inches, a height of 5.79 inches, and you have a width of 1.46 inches. So obviously it's double stacked. The magazine to get that 19 plus 1. Some cool information I also found on it. On the manufacturer's manual, which is stored here, it basically tells you to make sure that you clean the gun every time you use it, or if it gets wet or anything of that nature. Also, it lets you know that if you don't use it at all, you should still clean it at least once a year. But if you live in a tropical environment like I do, then they actually recommend that you clean it once a month, or any demanding environment that you leave your gun out in, that it's cleaned once a month. So something interesting, good to know. Definitely good information here. Another thing that's pretty cool is that they test fire your gun before it leaves the factory. This is the mean impact. So this is the average of all your shots where they landed at 25 meters. So pretty good. And that's pretty much it for that. So I wanted to show you guys also the holster I got for it. So this isn't the kind of holster you really want to conceal. It's not optimized for that. But if you did want to conceal it, and you absolutely have to, I have here an inside the waistband holster. This is made by SHTF Gear. And I guess you'd carry this at 6 o'clock, or you could also carry it at 3 o'clock. And It's nice and snug in there. But this isn't my everyday carry by any means. But if I did have to, I like to have the holster available in case you did need to. But anyways, that was just a quick unboxing of the CZ P09. Just wanted to show it to you guys. It's an awesome gun, awesome offering by CZ, and very happy with it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed. WRG out.